Last year, we built the rooftop tent trailer, and we're going to give you a full cost breakdown in case you want to build one yourself. We had been camping with the 26-foot travel trailer, and on our way to the mostly state parks, we'd always pass these U.S. Forest Service campgrounds, and they looked so cool. And of course, we couldn't fit because we were too big, and we decided we needed something smaller so we could go anywhere we wanted. So when Tough Stuff came out with the new hard shell tent that they had, we thought, hey, that'd be an awesome way to camp. And we happened to have a pickup truck that has a fiberglass canopy on it, so we couldn't attach that way. Luckily, we had a utility trailer. We purchased the Lifetime trailer from Costco 10 plus years ago, and it was $800. They don't make it now, but we have looked, and there are similar utility trailers that are around $1,200 to $1,500. It has this removable back door, so to say. It can actually slide open, so it's just still attached, or it can be put down as a ramp or completely removed. The trailer itself has a carry capacity of 2,000 pounds, so it can haul quite a bit. So we knew that we would want to make the rack that was going to hold the tent out of steel. Luckily, we were able to find some local company that would cut them to the size we needed. Then we could pick them up. It was only $220, but we originally had planned to have the top rack for kayaks, but we actually have not done that yet. But luckily, we are able to get the awning on there, which fit perfectly. So if you're designing this all out, make sure you think about what all you want on your trailer. So we had to somehow get these pieces put together. And we don't know how to weld, nor do we have the equipment to weld. So we found online these no-weld brackets, and they were $179. They come from compactcampingstore.com. And the kit itself comes with 12 corner brackets, 4 base plates, bolts, and nuts, and 4 of these end caps, which kind of give it a nice little finished touch. We had to drill the holes into the steel, which took many, many, many hours and many drill bits, so make sure you have plenty of drill bits for that. The steel did not come in this lovely color. We actually ended up spray painting it. We used Rust-Oleum. It is the Painter's Touch 2X. It is a satin general purpose spray paint, and the actual color is rustic orange. After 5 cans of spray paint, it was about $10. It took 2 to 3 coats to do the whole frame. After 2 summers of camping, we have some spots that need to be touched up, but other than that, it's holding up really well. To make sure that the trailer didn't move at all while we were camping, we ended up having a welder come out and attach some spots to put jacks on it. We ordered 4 of these from eTrailers. They are $45 each, and the mobile welder was $100. These babies can hold a lot. It's like, I think, a total of 2,000 pounds. The nice thing about these is they are a little bit longer since the trailer is higher up. These are the 15-inch ones. Heavy, but do the job, and very easy to put on and use. The only thing about these jacks is that the handle does not come off or fold in, so we do actually take these off when we are traveling. The tent that we went with was the Tough Stuff Alpha, and it was $1,684. We had pre-ordered it, so it was a sale going on. They're now currently around $2,500. It was ordered in February, and it shipped in April. And when it was delivered, it was covered in a cardboard box with wood pallets surrounding it to protect it, obviously. But you make sure that you are there with someone because it is definitely heavy and you wouldn't be able to move it around by yourself. It is the hard shell, which really liked. It is super easy to set up. It did come with the shoe bag, which we use all the time when we climb up the stairs. Pop in there, slide our shoes, hang them on there so we can grab them in the morning and put them on and climb on down. We also have another bag that's got some great pockets. Put our car keys and phones in there or any other little things that we need that we don't want to get lost. The tent itself has LED lights underneath, which is really handy at night. And inside as well, there's a strip. They can both be dimmed and change color, which is pretty cool. And there is a mattress that comes with it. It's the full length of the tent inside. We went with the Overland Vehicle Systems awning. It's the 270. It fits perfectly. We did not plan that. We lucked out big time. It has full coverage. The cost of the awning was $899. It is a 270-degree awning with 6 built-in aluminum rafters, 3 poles that are attached to the rafters and can swing down, which gives it a little bit more stability, especially if it's windy out. There's 3 more extra poles in the bag, and it's made from really heavy-duty material and it has massive shade coverage. This year we decided to add the Annex. We weren't too sure if we wanted it, but boy, we are happy we got it. I'm at $493. It was totally worth the cost. It attaches onto the frame itself of the tent, zips on. First time we put it on, it took us a little while, but now we've got it down pat, under 10 minutes. The total final cost for it all was $4,565. We absolutely love this. We've been able to camp for the last 2 summers. It's been amazing. We've been able to go to up in the mountains and to a tiny, tiny campground, tiny, tiny spots, and be a stone's throw away from the water and kayak all weekend long. It's been amazing. If you want to check out more information about our trailer build, check out our playlist. We've got it from the start to finish. You can visit us at exploretrekadventure.com and learn more about us. If you like this video, give us a like, and we'll see you next time.